guys, it's Delicious here, aka Saint Carlos. This is going to be an account dedicated for my snoring only. Sure, a 21-year-old Brazilian girl who snores loud sounds, fake and all, especially with many fake snoring accounts. For example, I was 12 when I exposed Charlotte Adjuvai as a fake snorer in my crappy old account. I was only 2 months away from turning 13. Sadly, I only archived her YouTube account at the time, so too bad. So this fake snoring problem in YouTube is not new, but it still goes on today, with channels like Clone Milano just stealing snoring videos from Kumbuka, a Japanese man who makes sleep streams. Also subscribe to his channel, he's an amazing snorer. I could clearly tell it was Kumbuka's because the audio equalization, background talking in Japanese, and the snoring itself. Chloe even commented on his videos before, so there's that. So I may not be trusted as a young woman who snores because of accounts like this, especially when I'm a young woman who wants to hide her face for safety. Because a channel featuring a young woman who snores yet doesn't show her face may be a red flag for a fake snoring channel. Bonus red flags if the woman's face is shown when she's awake, with pictures and videos, yet not shown when she's sleeping. So I will do anything to prove that my snoring videos, which will be uploaded here in the future, are real, without showing my face. However, said videos will probably only come out in 2023, when I learn how to record my snoring, get new equipment, and move into my new house with more privacy. So, no more dawdling, let's get into the video.